Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
This quick guide shows the easiest method to change brightness using the Nvidia control panel. Open the desktop context menu by right-clicking on any empty space. Select Nvidia control panel from that menu to launch the app. If you do not see it, open the system tray and click the Nvidia icon instead. Confirm your display is using the Nvidia GPU before continuing. Make sure your drivers are installed and up to date. Also ensure you are signed in with administrator rights for full control. Select Display from the left column, then choose Adjust Desktop Color Settings. Locate the brightness slider under the Color Settings section of the panel. Move the brightness slider slowly to increase or decrease screen brightness. Watch the screen while adjusting to pick a comfortable level. After choosing a value, click Apply to save the change. Use the Reset button to revert if you do not like the new setting. Compare before and after to confirm the adjustment improved visibility. If the Nvidia control panel option is missing, try GeForce Experience or Windows settings. Open GeForce Experience to access display enhancements and filters for brightness control. Update your GPU drivers through GeForce Experience or download the latest driver manually from Nvidia. If Control Panel still does not appear, reinstall the Nvidia Control Panel app from the Microsoft Store. Restart your PC after installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.